Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Subaru Legacy Lancaster. It is all-wheel drive 4x4. It has the 3.0 six-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This Legacy has 9,867 miles. This vehicle does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. It does come with this interior trunk cover. It is removable. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away once you turn on the vehicle. The number that you're seeing down here, that's the kilometers, 15,881. The miles again is 9,867. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the continual support. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.